What's up? I'm going to cut these right now. If you don't know why I'm wearing gloves, then you're probably not Stevie. These things are so freaking spicy. I was cutting them the other day. Later that night, after washing my hands 6 times, taking 2 baths at this point, and lots of hand sanitizer, I decided to rub my eye, and boy, was that terrible. And then I rubbed my nose, and that was even worse. I love having allergies and cutting hot peppers. So today, I'm not gonna make that mistake. Because it lasted for another 2 days after. It's awful. But it was so delicious. I can't turn the camera off yet because if I do, there's gonna be a little bit left of what I'm cutting on my fingers, and it's gonna go onto the phone. Yet I still be adding that hot sauce to it. What's wrong with me? What the what? When you love food better than you love your butthole,